At the house party now, they said that where they stay is too far. So the two of them decided to spend the night at my place. I'm like, okay, no problem. But my only fear was that my friend, the guy, they snore. This guy snore past generator, the snoring sound. So my concern was, I know one situation whereby he go sleep first, when they snore, then the girl go can't lose interest. You know, ladies now, oh, I don't like a guy that snores. So that day I'm like, I'm not going to sleep early. I'm going to wait, make sure the girl sleeps before my friend sleep. And if my friend they sleep too, where they snore they loud, I can just tap him to reduce the tempo. So, as God may have it, the girl sleep first. My friend can't start to sleep. As my friend start to sleep, before you know, now it starts. As I want tap my friend, make he stop to snore. From nowhere now here. Now say, what's going on here? Now I turn see say the girl they snore. At some point, two of them come they communicate with the snoring. This one go do. This one go do. I say, wow, what a beautiful love language. At some point, I turn choir director. I just do like this. I just look them as then they snore. I say, you guys are meant for each other. The next morning, my friend come ask me, so hope you slept well. I just look and shake head. Now he tell me, say, I get good news. I say, what happened? He say he asked the girl out. Say the girl agreed. I'm like, beautiful. But my only concern, now say, my friend don't they tell me, say, in landlord they complain. Say in snoring too loud. Him and the landlord they share one wall. The landlord say him and the children need to sleep for night. So my only concern now, what if his girlfriend decide to go spend the night? Just yesterday, my friend called me and said they don't give him quit notice. Now as I say, your girlfriend come spend the night? He say yes. He say, how did I know? I say, my brother. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my performance. Thank you.